Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Conveyancing Newcastle, trustworthy and efficient residential property services in Gateshead. I'm your host, Connie. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're shining a light on how Conveyancing Newcastle simplifies buying and selling homes, particularly for our wonderful clients in Gateshead, NSW. We specialise in residential property conveyancing, dedicated to guiding you through every single step, ensuring a smooth experience from preparing contracts right through to settlement. We truly pride ourselves on our attention to detail, clear communication, and an unwavering commitment to outstanding customer service. It guarantees that you remain informed and fully supported throughout your journey. With our expertise, you can trust us to handle even the most complex transactions with precision, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, making your new property feel like home. Now, you might be asking, what exactly is residential property conveyancing? Well, it's the legal process of transferring property ownership from one person to another, involving tasks like contract prep, property searches, and managing settlement. Typically, this process can take anywhere from a few weeks to a couple of months, depending on the transaction's complexity. While it's not legally mandatory, hiring a conveyancer is highly recommended, as we bring the expertise to navigate all those legal obligations and potential issues for a smoother, less stressful experience. We serve the beautiful suburb of Gateshead, a scenic gem in Lake Macquarie, NSW. Gateshead offers a relaxed atmosphere with stunning lakeside views, vibrant community spirit, and an active lifestyle. We understand the local market and nuances, ensuring our services are perfectly tailored for Gateshead locals. When you're manoeuvring through the complexities of residential property conveyancing in Gateshead, you truly deserve a service that puts you first. Take Sarah, for example, who recently sold her home in Gateshead. She felt completely overwhelmed by the paperwork, but with our customer-focused approach, she had a personal conveyancer by her side throughout the entire journey. From promptly answering her questions to providing tailored advice, Sarah was constantly reassured and supported, closing her deal feeling confident and satisfied. We believe successful conveyancing goes beyond just paperwork. It's about building trust and ensuring your experience is positive. So if you're buying or selling, we'll meticulously review your contract, conduct thorough due diligence, and liaise with all parties on your behalf. Your stress-free path to buying or selling property starts here. Get in touch today and let's make your next move a smooth one by booking a call with our conveyancing experts.